Yo, my people, I salute you all. I greet you all. What's popping? Joining, guys. Joining. Have they changed any features here? Yeah, my people, I salute you. I don't know which angle would be better. No, it's very early, and this is a mountain. It's a mountain, man. How are we going to do this? Who's it? Okay, go this name now, old name for my page. Who's guys? Please hit the like button and share the video as you are joining. It's going to be a short video, and yeah, I've not started making videos yet, and that Who's is this related to Who's Precious? I don't know. I've not really told you people what happened, why it took long. I see that you there. What happened? Why it took long? That you open 1,000 euros send there no more now. Open 1,000 euros send there. One nigga made it here. My good brother, Prince Obin Nota. Ota nemele came again. Eme bichala holo. I na aga na holo. Gazu ike. Ntige n'isi ụmụnne m ọgba eruru ga-eba gị ụlọ. Dacha enyi ọma anọ m ya nwanne. Let me block one ozu. Ozu, una don't still come again. Ude Joseph, I greet you. Guys, please hit the like button and share the video. Yeah. I haven't, Humphrey, well done. I haven't started making videos, and that's because of something that I won't say for now, but when it happens, you people will definitely see it. After that, then we'll start our video proper, and I'm going to launch a new page. That's the page we'll be using. Gwebena Jada Nwanne, Obinna Famuzi, Dalu, Odumod, Arinze Jugu, Sikiru Kayode, Bawoni, Miami, Chris Tucker. So, my people, after then we'll begin our videos. If they think we'll keep quiet, I know none of you believe that rubbish that when I come out for prison I will keep quiet. Like how? How that what happen? How that happen? What happened? You know if it happen. As for those that are going to they say that we are Elijah for takeoff, they roll for dust. If they like, make them drink that dust. Make them roll for that dust. If we see one RNG, we go print banner. Una dey hear me? Tag Zion B people, tag them here. When I see one RNG, I don't print on a banner. Yes. And I me talk am. Yes. Now so it go be. If I see one banner, one pin, no be to the roll for dust. Oh, now you Elijah for take off. Oh, now take off, you want take off. When case you want start for court. Case never start. Like I told you people, I will make a video and explain to you what has happened, where we are now, and where we are going. You understand? That being said, I want to apologize to Honorable Ifeanyi, not necessarily him, his mother. Some of you have been saying that I need to change the way I talk and certain things. Of course, there are things I will change. Sometimes I let my emotions get hold of me. And being somebody that will not let one word pass. No. Possible. possible. Just one word. Then, and they started threatening me that his boys will do this, do that. I said, how would that happen? Me again. 9 person one come, frightened. Possible. It came as an idea. Possible. So I used some words. I threw it to her mother. You understand? To his mother, I should say. Then I now realize that it was a mistake. Not that he violated any law. No. Calling someone names does not violate any law. Insult is not against the law. In fact, insult is a protected speech. But I didn't know that the mother was still there, believe me. I wish her long life, everything I wish on my parents. Sami, Diana, France, in the mama. Okay. I didn't know his mother is still there. I just went along, do things. Then something happened. He brought a petition while I was at the Ikoyi prison. And it was a timed one. You understand? It was a timed this thing. Then something happened. Somebody that he sent came, saw it was me. He said, "Mokem, so it's really you." He said, "No, that you go and speak to Ifeanyi Bezi, that this is not necessary." I said, "Well, if he wants to bring it, fine. But I know there is no law I violated here." But for him to put that in there, whether he was trying to play on the emotions of the authorities or something, if now yourself they do that thing to your mother, you go try do something. And he saw Daniel Saga agree to. He tried something, and when he was advised, he stepped back. So it's natural for me to stand back, make apologies to him. Once again, is necessarily because of his mother, ostensibly because of his mom. And for that, I am very sorry. Okay? I have nothing against him. I believe he has nothing against me. That being said, I hope we've cleared that one out of the window. And I'm not doing it to appear a good person. I'm not. If you notice, I don't even want to be called a good person. I told them Igbo man. Guys, please hit the like button and share. Who for my Michael? I told them I better greet your wife. Abubakar Sadiq. I see you. You understand? So we as human beings, there are things you don't need. And there is a place you'll be going to. You need to remove some baggages. You need to ditch certain things. They may become distraction. You understand? So in order not to let all those things distract me, I had to do this apology video. I'm very sorry. And if along the way there is any other person I believe I need to apologize, if there is any other person I need to apologize, I will do that. I will definitely do that. People don't make me apologize. Okay? That's different from the Ebukobi that is saying he has forgiven me. How can you forgive somebody that is not asking for your forgiveness? How? Somebody does not ask for your forgiveness and you say you forgiving him. How did they do that one? And now no one concord. So now go concord too. The reason I stayed there, this law is to make sure that these people come to court. You understand? That's your key. You go bring like 500 guys. When the time comes, all of you will have to donate your own keys. Okay? Padlocks. You donate your own padlocks. I want like up to 500 padlocks. Let him just open one. Open one. Then this thing wey they do with choosing people, when the key man come out, you go come outside, talk am. Abi na Hezekiah wey tell judge say I know whether I tell judge you make I talk wetin I know, but the judge ask me why don't you apologize. So this thing don Lady G Kalu nne m were ịtọ ọ nwoke ka ịbụ were ịtọ ọ bụrụ enye gị amụ napụrụ m anapụ ụfọdụ ụmụ ozu a mụnyere m gị ọ ga-abara m uru. Okay, so my people, every miracle must be explained. That's where we are. As for Jonathan the padlock man, Raphael, don't worry, ọ ga-eme ya adịte ọ bụghị ịkpụ na dust irolu n'aja. Oh ya God of Elijah ya Maria Odenwachi nọ na-epost nke ọ bụrụ maka onye nke happy eji ya na. Now people, this Maria Odenwachi they are talking about now, when IPOB and Nnamdi Kanu released some files on her saying it was when she was doing Ashawo, they call it escort over there in America. Who was the person that was attacking them? Say this is what you are doing to your sister. Who? And now she won't come the I pray for Maria, I pray for again. When we do your time, I go hunger say anything anyway. I know that you. No, just so very post kanga nenegi. Okay. Very post kanga nenegi. What I go? Now I'm gonna paste negi obere I gonna ate. Where the yakotataria? As for that one. So my people, those of you that know on Ifeanyi Bezi, please help me tell him I said I'm sorry. Obunu manyangegote. If na drink I go buy. Tell am wetin he say make I do. If na goat you can just chota na ewu gbara abụba wete. Obodo ebini egotenwu m ebini egotenwu ihe enwe m ndị nwere ya na family ndị ebe adashie m ofu ebe mbunye ya. Obodo efi obugodo efi Igbo. Obugodo Obinna ụta nwanne denu message in inbox mecha ka m kpozie gị. Ịghọta. If na cow I go buy beggar. Me I no be contrary to wetin people dey talk. Me I no be 100 padlock from you. Oh, you don't dey now. That one say that one you go take for there with that one alone. Okay. So my people, contrary to what you heard, I'm not a senseless person. Okay, I'm not. I do. Chukwu casting is also is on fire. My brother, I about to go better. Cash also kutukweni. Cash also TV kutukweni. Go to go kuwere. Dey Philip hotel night iwe. Abuja hotel ga kuwere. Ndo ọzọ kutu. I want on our sidelines. Me, I dey sidelines now. They watch you. Me, I no need. Chimeze is not my friend. Chimeze is my brother. Okay. So all these things we go to know how we go to do them. Let me block one ozu. Now ozu ah. Une get any sense. So my people, let us all learn from each other. You make mistakes, you apologize. As for the RNG photos, he said that struggling people, he can't go rag. Did I struggle? He can't. Shall we tell you, I say when these people go wake up, their shout go past my own. Okay, see me, see Kenga now. Who then go home? Who then go beg now? Make keep quiet. I know room we will not na can go to go. Oh no, come now like this better be make I put the cab back on. And so my people, not be say everything now you go to do like say na me. It's not done that way. And there is no shame in apologizing. There is no shame in apologizing. Okay? This one say Umuaka is on fire. Yeah. Also how abundezigbo mmadụ ndị amị fụrụ. army na police show with it. Wait till army and police pass Amakohia, pass Akwakuma, pass Ubommiri, pass Ofekata Junction, pass Morubi, pass Ofekata Junction, pass Oba, come reach Umuaka. No Umuaka, they want come see innocent people where they go they buy abi or the kishadi unu mo no gidu na ko unu e bobo no putu de ye wo no ye na ko no yati. See, I no want to dey talk to anyhow now. I get people where I hold for ground. You see these two people where I hold for ground. One concentrate, hold them tight. They are Biafra though. I don't know. Don't them cake him. They are Biafra though. Made them chop am. We go there one corner. They look them. They are ESN where they say made them do am. Okay. Made them chop am where. As they no one get sense. But never tell them saying be content creator. Where they use one of the I'm go me here. Okay. So me now, I dey face my own. All man to him warrant. Okay. All man to him warrant. Okay. Now your wife side. Wait, make I block one or two. Ozu. You understand, my people? We are going to keep doing what we're doing. We are going to keep exposing these criminals. Okay, imagine me now. Would you look at me and believe that I had a kidney? By this time last year, I was on dialysis. But look at me. Take a good look at the boy. He goes, oh, nenu freshness. Nenu fresh. Cake umasa. Ana aburi nwa katontom. Ana aburi nwa katontom. Why? Knowledge. You know what to do, know the leaves, know what to avoid, know what to chop. All those things will come back. Now the human body, now the power of the human body. You understand? But if I dey for church, they pray, I receive. I hear say one person, mama, they cut him leg. I don't know. I never sure. I never sure. I never sure. You understand? Okay, gentle whole Bible, the one that they send me this video now. Send me. Oh, did I can? Oh, you know what I'm can like him my own. You understand, my people? See waiting be life here. See waiting be life. All these things where they see like this. On top this mountain, get the ones where be on top this mountain of the grow. Now this one be life. See how only dibiam. Anyone why I see now go collect and put them inside here. Charlie, it is saying, are you understanding me? I will open TikTok. Don't worry, my TikTok. My brother will open it today. Henry Chimeze will open it today, and I will start my TikTok. Ana boring waka apple. Ana boring waka apple. All your videos are in the video. Take on the cable no shadow tanda. Okay, unas ni bikish with these people. They caught Ebuko be madam leg. I don't know. I know hear that one. I know hear that one. And so then they talk. My people, your health. Anyway, no be wetin will come talk now. Now this honorable Ifeanyi busy. Oh, at least now I no go to call am dishonorable. I no go to call am. I no say the name Pena. I no say the name Pena. That in mama will fit Pena, but you get why you know you use that one as first. But we still know every. Okay? Person mother no easy. My own mother I talk that thing I go follow you. I go follow you crazy. This one says, so you can be this afraid. Afraid of who? So apology means say person that afraid. Apology means say person that afraid. You see as una they think. You see una no get sense. came as they send me the video now. Can you gonna put the video name? Thank you, son George Joga. You say you mean the culture because be mama leg? I don't know. And if that thing happen, if he be diabetics, if he happen, if he be diabetics, so person wey know if he cure him mama if that thing happen, if it happen, because now this one they take the win there for court too. The one where Hezekiah go the tell justice so see I go where you go see, my brother how you dey? Henry Oluwaseun,
The great Ijele,
Baba Alpha na.
my brother from another mother.
One
I
day.
greet you, man. I'm very happy to see you. I'm very, very
Okay.
happy to see you.
Praise
The
God.
state I saw you the last time, you're no longer in that state, so it's my joy. A lot of people thought we were going to perish there, but thank God you're out.
Yes, bro.
We are really, really grateful that you're back with us now.
Yes, my brother.
How is everything, my brother? How is everything? How is life? How are things going?
Everywhere good, everywhere good. I dey come back Lagos very soon because I get call date on 23rd July.
All right, quick one. I beg, for the benefit of the ignorance in the society, that debunk that issue of saying now you go, now you dey under the mask, saying now you go testify. Me, I don't talk and say. If you have anything to testify against anybody, you will gladly come out and do it. You are not a
I
coward
said
like
I
anybody.
never answer them until the next court date. I no go answer until the next court date. Na that day dem go see me. I never wan talk. On next court date, na that day dem go see me. No be you know say me I no get time to go dey explain myself to all these
Yeah,
Umosu are
yeah.
just doing nonsense. No worry, my brother. Please wrap it up. So I just finish this video. I don't want it to be very
No wala, no
long.
wala, no wala, no wala, no wala. Thank you very much.
Okay. Well done. Thank you, my brother. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. My people, no be say me, I dey fear anybody. If na fear. Chukwuka and fear in the same sentence. You don't get problem. You go take for there. Now. You go take for there. Fear. How can I query short? Yeah, you hide from us. Me, if I want witness against me, we don't go 2022. Go collect affidavit for court. Say may they come. In fact, say even the one why I talk for TV, say it must be true. If I lie, may they jail me. Eh, 9 person say I want if he merit, if in them cake him. He say what of Butuzo? They don't buy Butuzo now. Butuzo don't go. Butuzo they give. Butuzo Ejebegi Ife, even gentle senior brother self don't join Butuzo for yonder. Okay? So most of these people, no matter of time, how person go think say go they do this after you go through. Leave those people. Like I said, my people, we go keep on giving our message. That thing they don't like is exactly what we are going to do. As for ndị nọ na middle east atụrụrụ n'aja atụwara dust ọgbarịcha make tell us say make he carry that dust drink am roll finish make dem go call who dem dey call me I no dey go outside Nigeria I no dey travel that passport go dey there una dey hear me that passport go dey there this king go finish in fact next court date I dey tell judge say abeg no release my passport until this case finish. Okay? Dem go hear nwe adaeze mmadụ akọ ka ị gaji nwa ya ekwu ka ị gaji nwa ya ekwu akwapa I no dey travel anywhere onwe ebe m na-eje bute ụzọ no dey any alive where you see bute ụzọ why they never catch gentle nwanne ọ na-amị nụnụ iche n'ihe ọ na-eme ide mmiri from one place to another abi it say na this noise wey e dey make Family Obinna, right? Chimezie will give me my number. All right. Na ọrụ esi na ọ bụ home dana na ebe a gịnị ka a na-ekwuli ya chee ka ndana gịnị ka aka ọmarịcha ndị ka manụ a ewu ya na egokweni m ihe ngalọn ka ebe m ga-ada ọrụ ije n'elu see mountain for them na maka I go begin pray my people wetin una talk shey make I come dey do my own deliverance and miracle here. Zara ke nke na-eme na mmapụta na-apụta ata ma ebe ya amapụta ma ebe ya amapụta ụmụnne m ọsị na ọ bụrụ m idina n'azụ ebe a bido ọ bụrụ m ka je ọsọ dị na-edina gịnị ka a na-ekwudi ya ọ na-eji m boot ihe menu mbọsị mmeyite boot agwọ emekwere na tụọ m ebe a may snake no bite me now they go say that them said that okay because na here we go dey do I go dey lie down my own we still get mountain for Nigeria no need to go middle east side dey go mountain go do wetin dina na edina ka ebube mmụọ nsọ wetere glass Chineke atọgo m na Ọnịcha pụta Chineke bụ ise no need gịnị we no need please special program wait make I launch the new page oya you wey say dey alive inbox me later okay God don name ka ịkajigwa ya ekwu I'm passion ka ịkajigwa ya ekwu God nke ọ kpọrọ m ọha ọkpụkpọ akwa ọmarịcha apụrụ ụmụ nwa ma na don't worry next I will no see mountain full here now see the mountain full here I ga-emekatacha ihe mmadụ mekwewa miracle mmadụ mekwewa miracle mmadụ mekwe one make person do one miracle do one make we see Lovet na ọrụ ị na-ebe akpọ ọgodu Lovet ka a na-ekwu Lovet Chineke ga-ebuli gị elu Lovet Chineke ga-ebuli gị elu Lovet I see Lovet oh I see Abidjan Sweden will favor you amen and amen Sweden will favor you rapapapa Sunday aka Adeze I see Adeze I see your mansion I see your Enugu mansion the one where we show them go be the same thing where we go open door for them Adeze your mansion you no go dey ask whether you open door mansion where you don buy you with your Chineke ahụọ na ma ahụọ mmadụ mekwa ofu miracle mmadụ mekwa ofu make them do one miracle again mmadụ mee ofu ka nnupim mmadụ mee ofu mmadụ mee pim ka nnu nọzam ka nnu zam n'ọnụ mmadụ na afụ vision na afụ ndị mmụọ na-afụ tanka ya na a na-agwado onye yeah my people abeg John Amadi nwe ami nwanne ke nke na-eme he say you are not a native doctor yes it's better than RNG I'd rather be a native doctor at least if you know person wey get kidney problem bring am come me I go cure am bring am come for now I go bring him the people wey say dem dey see God people wey say dem dey see tanker ị na-afụfa ncha Ndoshi. Chere that land for this one na Governor Okwashi they talk. With me, I know even one put mouth. They say they clear bush for there. Oh, do you know how many camps we clear? Camp where each academ day. You want make I give you the full operation of that Ichaka? Eh? If you don't worry, na court, okay, be na court. See, make I give you a small update. On 23rd, if they come court, the trial go begin, which means Ebukobi will stand. He will stand there, take oath. Then my lawyer go dey ask am question. Me, I go dey write the one where they go ask am. If you no come, they go throw away the case. Now imagine those two things. Coming means yes, I agree to my brother, my sister. Coming means you will have to make miracle now. You go do miracle, you see. We go loot, go charter sick people come now. You see this one where they talk say I go come out to me. I mean, now court and join, I still get the full video. So you bring them, I bring the full video. You self, you don't matter. Serious jamming, you don't jam am. So I just want make I give you now where the case there. They no agree tell you now why their camera people know they come court again. Why their camera men now keep quiet? I say no, now relax. Interview they come. Then we go hear waiting so. You understand? All the ones say that they mention their name. And those of una where they mention Suleiman name, I beg, Johnson Suleiman hand, no dey this thing. Johnson Suleiman hand, no dey this thing. If anything self, Suleiman offered to stop this. Una dey hear me? My man, Apostle Johnson Suleiman, he go hard make una see me talk anything about that man again. No beside the fear them, but for them to even make that move. Now me reject the move. I've rejected many settlements. God, make I no even open mouth. You understand? But Suleiman, he tried to stop this. Now me no agree settlement. Say make him step into it. I say no. Okay? So me, I dey know how I dey do my thing. I where they cry the see road. Make I block who's Ewu say Bukobi drop. Which Ebuka drop charge? Charge say they strike out. Which drop? Ewu. In police prosecutor, they don't sack him from police. So no only Obi or Ejiofor, Ala Ejiofor brother, he still remain there. Una no say na IPOB wait, una go hear me. Una drop Bukobi drop waiting. You no get sense. Tell him say I say make you open mouth talk am. Make I no tear paper for them. Now for Abuja, I go tear them for them. Tell am say if they born am well, make you open mouth say na him drop the charges. See the kind of lie where they lie to una. The child ndị wan afu Chineke. See people wey say they see God. Okay, they tell una say drop waiting. Oh, I forgive you. Forgive who? You dey forgive who no they ask you for forgiveness. Even for court, I dey tell them say I dey give them middle finger. The video dey. I dey give them middle finger for court. I say F you, suck on this. I'm hanging my manhood for them to see. They talk nonsense. Umokoko. No. Drop issue again. Drop again on a drop. Drop. Now waiting they tell her. Don't worry, I go. Now me go the whole court CTC. I go share them for my Telegram channel. This one no be say the entire person. Okay, now waiting in talk. No worry. When I go share the document, now make on a text here. Everything was struck off. No only one remain. In fact, even the news. Go Sahara reporters. You go see the news. He no say in Zombino, the Muzayombino, they read news. They even write for imagine charges for court. Oh, they call us Zayombi. Calling you Zayombi is not a crime. Oh, the name they pain on. Una never begin cry. Eh? Una never begin cry. No. Oh, so you drop issue. They see lawyers run now. In lawyer will be saved them. Mention one thing for court. They go they use Google. They search. Na laugh I dey like umu okereku lawyer, midget, legal, intellectual midget. This intellectual bonobos. Where they go gather. Shame they greet them. Na lie. Now we knock the case down. This last one now them see no one come. We go print the we go publish the public document now. Na public document. The docu no be secret something. Now me I go use my publish am, me go dey Telegram. Everybody go use their eyes here. Now wetin make them they cry like this or where they know what make I talk. Now wetin make them they cry like this. They think say if they delay me, I go come agree with them, consent to then shut up. They go say, oh yeah. Ndi iberi, oh na don jam. Na jam go on. Yeah. Nya. Wait till my people abeg. The video don't even dey long self. 36 minutes. No, don't too long. My people, please, like I said, anybody will know Ifeanyi is abeg. More na help me beg am. Tell am side apologize. Okay? Tell am side apologize. I make you tell your mother, say make you forgive me, okay? Make your mother forgive me, oh, if not to come see am, I will come see am. Alright? One know you open a good meeting now. They don't Abdul Malik. They don't enter water now. Okay? I'm only blessed. Leave them and we are pastor. No, what I'm talking about the case is the one that has passed already, not the one we never passed. People no be them publish my release or that waiting on they talk. Who they tell on this thing? Eh? Who they tell on that thing? Eh? Who they tell on that thing? No worry, my people go join TikTok today. And when I do, you people will know I will still publish it here. All right. Thank you, my people, and stay safe. The best of the day.